So we're looking at learning about web quests in this activity and assignment. I've already gone to this site about web quests, and I've selected to look at experimental growth and decay under science. You can use something else if you'd like. That's what I'm going to look at. So let's look back again here. Next, I need to go to http://crocodoc.com and create an account. So I'll do that. Now I have an account already, so it lists here. You can create an account, and after you've created an account, you'll see a folder that looks something like this. Here's my WebQuest rubric. I added this by going to Add a Document, and then I went to where I downloaded it from my website, from the class website, and it's called WebQuest, right? So it should be in alphabetical order, shouldn't it? Too many things downloaded in here. Alright, WebQuest rubric, here it is. Once it's in place, then I can start editing it. So here's my rubric. When it's here, I can add some text. So I can come down here and add some text and the name of the author. So I'll go back to my WebQuest that I'm looking at, experimental growth, and the name of the author is Bobby Smith. So I'll place that in my crocodoc. Okay. Name of the WebQuest, exponential growth and decay in the real world. You could type these as well if you didn't want to copy and paste. That's a little big, so let's make the text a little bit smaller. And then I can move this around a little bit. The URL, I can grab the URL here, copy it, and come back with the text again, and paste that text. Again, after I've placed it, I click outside it and move it to where I need it to go. Now you're going to make some decisions about the overall visual appearance. So looking at this, how does it look as we go through the page for the visual appearance? Now as I look at this, I find the colors just really don't do much for me. They look kind of dated and old. Are there graphics? Are there a few graphic elements and appealing graphics? You know, I did see here that there's kind of an appealing animated GIF here that shows what we might be looking at as for some graphs. The evaluation, here's the rubric that they've used for this project, our conclusion, credits. So looking at this, I might think I might give it 2 points. So again, we click in the text and we give it the points we'd like. I may want to increase the size of this one because it looks like it's hard to see. I could even make it larger, couldn't I? All right. Now, as I go through and I finish up giving a score, I'll go through each of these elements, looking at the WebQuest, making a decision about those. And at the very end, I'll come up with the points. And I'm assuming that we came up with the points of, say, 56 points. When I finish with this, I'll go up here and go to download and download the marked up PDF. That's the one that's going to have the things I put in here. Here you can see, this is a Mac, it says I can save the file, I can notice where it's going to go, and then I can go back to my Blackboard Learning and add the attachment for that submission.